Welcome back to N.Rajini Kiranmai YouTube channel. This video is going to focus on types of networks. So this video is going to help you to understand what is LAN, MAN, WAN, CAN and PAN. So LAN, MAN, WAN, CAN, PAN are the different types of networks in the real world environment where the people are using it right now. So here are a few pictorial representation of each network. Here the left top corner talks about local area network. That is, 4 systems are connected in LAN. It can be a computer lab in a single building in a single room. Wide area network, when you see there are multiple systems getting connected with each other, and at the middle there is a globe. That is indirectly says that all these systems can be located throughout the globe. Wherever it is, we can communicate with each other. When you look at the metropolitan area network, different buildings are situated in different areas. Maybe it is within a city, metropolitan city, and hence we are going to call it as metropolitan area network. When you look at this CAN, that is campus area network, there are 4 buildings existing in a campus: building 1, building 2, building 3 and building 4. All these buildings are connected with each other, where these buildings labs are connected with each other, and we can say it as a campus area network. When you look at PAN, personal area network, or can also be called as home area network, when you see here, many electronical devices at home are connected with each other, and this connection can be termed as home area network or personal area network. Now let us move to each of these networks to know them in detail. That is local area network. So in the local area network, the network of computers located relatively near each other. So how much distance? It can be a mile apart. And how many computers can be used in this LAN? Just 2 can be used or 3 can be used, and the max of 100 of computers of different kinds can be connected with each other in order to share resources and communication. And the protocols means rules that are used in LAN are very simple and do not employ extensive error recovery methods. And moving to the data transmission rate in LAN is very fast. So 1, we said how many computers are involved in LAN. It can be 2 or hundreds. 2 is a minimum, max is hundreds of computers. And these computers should be of how much distance apart? That is a mile. So we can say they are relatively very near to each other, or within a room in a building. Or the best example for LAN is a computer lab in any college. And generally we see this type of LANs in schools, labs, offices and buildings. And the protocols, that is the rules that they follow to establish LAN, is a simple protocols, and the data transmission rate is very fast. Let us move to metropolitan area network. So this one is bigger than LAN, smaller than WAN, and the area that is fixed for this MAN is a single metropolitan city of a distance up to 80 kilometers. And how many systems can be used in metropolitan area network is unlimited, and the data transmission rate is faster, and if you move to the count also, it is 100 megabits per second. Now let us move to WAN, wide area network. This one is greater than MAN. 2 or more LANs together can be connected, and generally we can say it can be connected across a wide geographical area. Then we can say it as a WAN. It can be different cities, it can be states, or even countries. In one word, we can say throughout the globe. And what type of transmission medias that we can use in WAN is satellite links, telephone lines, and along with this, we are going to use routers also to establish the communication from one side to another side. And it's a very high cost, and building this type of network and maintaining this network is also very cost. And moving to the number of computers that are involved in WAN are also unlimited. So the number of computers here are unlimited, and the area that it's going to cover is a wide geographical area, that is throughout the globe. And the transmission media used mostly over here are satellite links. Along with it, we are going to use routers. Transmission rate is very fast, and establishing and maintaining this network is high cost. Let us move to campus. So it is owned by a campus or a university. That is, CAN is owned by a campus or university. It is greater than LAN, smaller than MAN. That means CAN comes in between LAN and MAN. And here they may go for wired or wireless communications. Mostly they prefer wireless communications only. Say for example, in a university having multiple labs or multiple buildings or multiple offices, CAN is mostly formed by wireless rather than using a wired cables and all. Why? Because nowadays the wireless became very popular, economical and beneficial and easy to implement. So people are going for this. Let us move to the personal area network. The number of systems involved over here should be within 10 meters apart from each other. Here also we can go for either wired or wireless representation of connection, communication connection. And PAN is a computer network designed for communication between computer devices like mobiles, cell phones, or personal digital assistant, that is close to one person. And even remote with a TV, that is infrared and Bluetooth connections. For all these things, hardly the distance between them should be 10 meters. And by using PAN, we can transfer the files, including emails, calendars, and photos and videos, musics, and all. Thank you for watching this video.